Hi, John family. Small job for today. This is what I'm working today in the city of Fullerton. All this trash, here stay, this barbecue stay, and this random thing stay, but all this trash needs to go. Let's get this done. Alright, job is done here in the city of Fullerton. Check it out, guys. Let me share something with you guys. Look what I found. Found of the day today. This. Look at this. It's life. Ooh. It's life. Ooh. Ooh. Pretty cool. Alright, so alive. Let's see what else. This box. See some value for item. We have some gun oyster. This is like a gun pocket where they put the gun in for safety. Another gun oyster. Trophy. Ooh, that's wife. Giving this to my wife. She's the best wife. Giving that to my wife today. Some more knife. Look at this. I like a lot of cool knives. Some kind of dragon knife. And another knife. That guy collects a lot of knives. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Handcuff. What the hell? Ooh. Handcuffs. Oh. Must be fun. Keeping that. Oh, huh. Alright. These are all the stuff. All the trash. Alright, let's go home. Let's go home.
Alright, there you go. Job is done. Right here.